Hello guys, welcome back to the software testing tips and tricks channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and let's start. So in 2023-24 in today's world, for UI automation, if we talk, the most trending tools are Selenium. Of course, like it is the widely used tool, and whoever uses that tool, they're gonna use. But after that, you can consider Playwright and Cypress. Those are the new trending tools. And if you are planning to learn new tools, you should focus on these two. Also, if you are starting development and writing UI automation from press, so you should consider these tools. So whoever considering these new tools, I have created one video where we talked about all the tools, but if you are confused between Playwright and Cypress, which one to use, let's talk. So if you go to the documentation they provide, so Playwright has their own benefit and Cypress has their own. So let's discuss one by one. So in Playwright, if you talk about, right, it supports cross browser, cross platform, and supports cross languages. So it supports TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, .NET, Java, and also like a mobile web. But in mobile web, it doesn't support actual devices. It supports emulation of Google Chrome devices. So if you go to the development tools, and here you are seeing these devices, right? So it supports this kind of emulation. So if you want to test your UI in particular view, it will support, but it won't support actual mobile devices. Apart from that, it has this auto wait functionality, which is pretty tricky. So if you are new to this and you're gonna add more test cases, this will play crucial role to stabilize your test. Also, it has web first assertions, so it will automatically assert those things, and tracing, like if something is failing, it is a good amount of logs and videos and screenshot you will get. Also, no limit in trade-off, so multiple everything test scenarios that span multiple tabs. So it supports multiple tabs, also support frames and users, and it has trusted events by default, and it supports test frame feast shadow domes. So Playwright selector feast shadow domes and allow entering frames seamlessly. So because of this shadow dome, it allows to test it in multiple frames or entering in the frame seamlessly. So it will be really easy, like you, if you have done automation, you know like how frame crosses the trouble, right? Also, it is full isolation and fast execution. All browser contexts are isolated. So if you are running 10 different tests, it will run in parallel, and it will run very fast. Also, like it login once, so you can set if you have to run login every time in the website, and after that you need to start, you can define like you need to only login once, and then it will automatically start that. It supports code gen, so I have already created video like how code gen will work. So it generate automatic script. You don't have to write all the script, so you just need to record your session, and it will generate the script automatically using the code gen. And it has Playwright inspector, which is inspect the page, generate selectors and all. And again we have talked about the trace viewer. So now if you go to Cypress draw, so after this we will compare side by side. So if you go to Cypress Word, so it supports that modern app directly in the browser. So again it is same. Write your first passing test in the minute, debug failure, and enter flexi test. So we will find the benefits, like what are the benefits Cypress provides, right? So if you go to the docs, so it has these features. Time travel, Cypress takes snapshot as your test run, so it will automatically takes that screenshot. Over commands in the command log to see exactly what happened to each step, so it you will get that. So Playwright also create that video. So debugging is very easy. Stop guessing why your tests are failing. You can debug directly from the familiar tools like developer tools. So it directly supports debugging from the developer tools. Again, it has also auto waits. spicy stuffs and cloaks. So yes, this is very important. You are experienced and you want to use spicy stuffs and cloaks, then Cypress is good because it provides default this one, and it is very easy to set up with the Cypress. Network traffic control. So yeah, because of this supports, without involving your server, you can stop network traffic however you like. So also consistent results, screenshot videos and test replay. So again it provides same thing, cross browser testing. So it runs test with Firefox and Chrome family browsers. So it supports almost all browsers, so both of them supports almost all trending browsers. But this doesn't support multiple tabs in the browser. Cross browser testing, so that what we talk. And smart orchestration. So once you have set a record to Cypress Cloud, easily parallelize your test suite, rerun failed spec first with spec prioritization. So this I think is not free. You need to buy tools and all. And flag detection. So discover and diagnose unreliable tests. So you can do this using cloud management. So let's compare it side by side. So Playwright versus Cypress CPQ. So languages support is this: Playwright supports JavaScript, Java, Python, .NET, C Sharp. So if you have developer who writes code in C Sharp or Python, and if they want to do automation, then this will be very useful for them. But here, like it supports only JavaScript, so you must have JavaScript specialized person in the team. And it supports all the frameworks: trending, Mocha, Jest, and Jasmine. But this only supports Mocha. So again, like whatever functionality you get from Mocha framework, that only it will be supported in the Cypress. uh, Playwright supports headless browser with event-driven architecture, and this execute test cases directly inside the browser. So this is how differently they will work. And support wise, documented support wise, this is Playwright is very new, so it has limited support. So I that's why I am creating more videos on that. And also we are using Playwright, so whatever the experience we are getting, I will keep on putting in the channel. And this has strong community support from professional across the world. So Cypress, I see like more, there are good amount of community there, and you get the supports for whatever you want. Also it supports Playwright supports multi-tab. So in browser, if your site requires to open new tab and start automating there, you can do that. But this doesn't support multi-tab, it supports only single tab. Also this one, right, we have talked like it doesn't support real devices, only you need to support emulator. That what I saw in uh, debug Chrome dev tools, right? But Cypress supports real mobile devices. So if you need to do automation with real mobile devices, you can blindly go to Cypress. Also you can run tests on the multiple browser at the same time. You cannot run multiple tests on the browser at the same time in the Cypress. Also, Playwright framework by default comes with many valuable reporters like .line, JSON, JUnit, and HTML reporters. So you will get pretty much good amount of reporting. This supports default reporting only Cypress, and you need to whatever comes with Mocha. But you can extend with the other tools. So again, like this single tab problem, also you can solve using other tools you need to integrate, or you may need to buy some tools or some support from other tools. So it won't be free and easy, but you can do that. But in Playwright it is straightforward and easy to use. So what is the conclusion here? So first of all, if you need to use mobile devices, right, you need to do testing in mobile real mobile devices, and blindly you should use Cypress. Also we talk about that stub and all, right? So if you are experienced and your website needs traffic regulation and all, you can use the Cypress. Also if you are very experienced and you know what to use, right, for example you have developer for JavaScript, enough developer for JavaScript, and it has a good community. So whatever requirement, if you are completing with Cypress, you can use. But if you are starting your framework new and you are also new, so I prefer to go with Playwright because it has the very easy to set up. Everything is straightforward using basic things like reporting, taking screenshot, recording the videos, multiple tab support. Those things are like very straightforward, like testing in multiple browsers running parallelly, using Mocha, Jest or Jasmine framework. So you can use the framework whatever developers are using most probably. So it will be very easy. So if a developer is writing the code, then also this Playwright is I think very easy and easy to go. So this is the conclusion. So if you are new but yeah, you want straightforward things and you don't want to make so much complicated things around, you can simply go with Playwright, but you exactly know what you want. And if you had basic requirability of mobile devices, real mobile devices, then I think you can use Cypress. So that's it. If you are still confusion or any doubt, feel free to comment. And uh, please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, please like and share it to other QA friends. Also check out the social media links where we share funny memes around software testing. So please follow there. So thank you.